How to turn music on or off in Marvel Future Fight. Hi everyone! Are you playing Marvel Future Fight and want to turn the background music on or off? You can easily adjust the game's audio setting to create the sound experience you prefer. First of all, open up Marvel Future Fight app on your device. From the main screen, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. From the settings that appears on the screen, go ahead and click Option. Under Option, scroll down to Sound and then go ahead and turn off the music option by dragging the slider towards the left side, towards the minus. You can also decrease your sound effects and drag it towards the left if you want. If you ever want to turn on music or sound effect, then you can come to this same page and drag the slider towards the right, adjust the sound you want, and you have successfully adjusted music and sound effect in Marvel Future Fight. Set the volume to your preference and get back to building your superhero team. Now, after doing so, click OK to save your changes. And that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.